Everyone, now I am going to explain about soil pollution, its causes, effects and control measures of soil pollution. Soil pollution definition. It is any undesirable change in physical, chemical and biological properties of reside that adversely affected their productivity. It can be negative soil pollution, that is reduction in soil productivity due to soil erosion and overuse. Positive soil pollution, reduction in soil productivity due to addition of undesirable substances. Example, industrial wastes, faulty sanitation. Landscape or third pollution, it is converting the fertile land into barren area by dumping waste. Example, ash, garbage, rubbish, broken cans, bottles and industrial wastes. Then causes of soil pollution. Soil pollution is the result of different human activities which includes waste dumps, means dumping of industrial wastes, medical or hospital wastes, radioactive wastes from nuclear testing labs, fly ash from thermal power plants and industries that settles on the ground. Municipal wastes, it includes non-biodegradable materials like polyethylene bags, plastic bags, glasses, ceramics, chemicals, needles, glass bottles, variety of pathogens, etc. From the domestic and kitchen waste, market waste, poultry waste and hospital wastes, etc. Agrochemical pesticides, weedicides, fertilizers and biocides reduces the change in the property of the soil, adversely affect soil organism. Next one is mining operations. Mining is the extraction of the ore. By this operation, they can contaminate the soil area with toxic metals and chemicals. Next is effects of soil pollution. It decreases soil fertility, change in climate patterns, lead to the loss of ecosystem directly or indirectly, affect the climate patterns. Contamination of underground and surface drinking water, it affects on human health. The land when contaminated with toxic chemicals and pesticides, that's toxic chemicals that are enter to our body through foods and vegetables. The problems of skin cancer and human respiratory system. The environmental impact with deforestation, the tree cover is compromised, leads to the steep imbalance in the rain cycle. Due to the deforestation, the whole climate of the environment will be imbalanced in the rain cycle, global warming, the greenhouse effect, irregular rainfall and floods. Then it leads to the loss of revenue of the state government, and hence city loses its tourist attraction and revenue too. The loss of habitat and natural environment. Due to the constant human activity on land, force these species to move further away. The species are pushed to the verge of extinction. Due to global warming, there is an imbalance in the ratio of oxygen, carbon dioxide, rise in temperature leading to the global warming. Next is control of soil pollution. The soil pollution can be controlled by awareness to the people and garbage disposal, waste treatment, grow trees, more number of trees and avoid deforestation, safer land use, planned urbanization, development activities, then management of solid waste from industries and human habitations involve collection and categorization of waste. Recovery of solid waste like scrap metals, plastics for recycling and reuse. The biodegradable organic waste can be transformed to organic manure. The solid waste may be disposed of by incineration. Incineration means the burning in the presence of oxygen, and pyrolysis, that means combustion in the absence of oxygen. Sewage sludge and solid waste may be used as a land filler. The toxic chemicals fly ash, metal containing wastes may be used as bedding material for road construction. The fly ash may be used for making bricks, means the sum of the toxic metals or any substances that are reused for any purpose. This is about the control measures and whole the causes, effects and control measures of soil pollution. Thank you.